Hello bot builders and conversation creators, welcome to this episode of Workflow Design, where we take a crack at building a digital assistant for one of our favorite brands. Today we are taking a look at Coinbase, the platform that makes it easy to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrency. In my previous Competing Conversations video, we spoke a lot about user context. So I wanted to incorporate that theme into this video, and I also wanted to take a look at one of Meya's newest features, sensitive data, where encryption becomes core to all the conversational events that occur on our platform. Coinbase is a really interesting product to build a digital assistant for. Cryptocurrency is a technology that still remains broadly inaccessible for most people, but they've created an experience that is clean and frictionless, I would say even more so than any traditional banking or trading website. However, education is still clearly our priority. With incentivized video classes, targeted news feeds, accessible financial data, all these things are searchable from the Coinbase Command Center. We wanted to take that into consideration when designing the experience with the goal of minimizing user onboarding time or maximizing investor confidence. So let's take a look at what we built. Here on my Coinbase account, you can see that I have about $50 of Ethereum. This is important to note because my investment in Ethereum is going to give my digital assistant some information to go off when I start looking at other currencies. Here is the price page showing a number of different cryptocurrencies that I can buy. There are quite a few, and frankly, I have no idea what most of them are. Now, I could easily select any one of these to learn more, but the future of CX is where the customer is at the center of the universe and the information comes to them. To show this, I've added a clickable icon beside both Bitcoin and Litecoin that triggers a specific flow depending on which I select. We call this feature page context, and it's quite powerful when you start thinking about website events that might be a little bit more assistive if only they were supported with a digital assistant. Let's kick it off with Bitcoin. You can see on the right that the bot knows I want to learn more about Bitcoin, and it is letting me know at a high level some information that might help me familiarize myself with the currency. I'm going to ask a follow-up question here. What is the buy-sell ratio? And now you can see the response. Notice that it was implied that I was talking about Bitcoin in my question, but I never explicitly stated it. Another reason why context is so important with bots is to make sure that any questions one of your customers asks is being considered with the previous response. Next, we will select the icon beside Litecoin. Again, you can see that I kick off a Litecoin specific flow with some information about this currency. In this example, I get to choose from a couple of quick reply options. I will select price correlation. You can see here that the bot took a look at my portfolio, noticed I held Ethereum, and offered what the price correlation is between those two cryptocurrencies. All automated and personal to the user, capitalizing on the strength of bots over human agents, being able to ping multiple data sources in real time, do some math, and then provide that back to the user in a really easy to digest format. Finally, you might have been able to tell, but through my entire interaction with this bot, it was retrieving and collecting some personal information about me. And for compliance reasons, Coinbase might want that encrypted. If I jump to the Meya logs, here is an example event that occurred while I was talking to the bot. And you can see here that the contextual data is encrypted. Now, I'm an admin user of this bot, so I can decrypt it. But depending on the kind of information you intend to be shared over your conversational channel, you can disable this for all users. When investing in personalized experiences, sensitive data will invariably need to be shared or communicated. Making sure your business has the right user privacy safeguards in place will allow everyone to rest a little easier. Thanks for watching, and if you are interested in seeing any more content like this, you can visit the Meya website where we post all of the videos on our blog. Thanks again. Take care and bye.